Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to do a video on a very early winter outlook 2017-2018. This is not going to be completely accurate because it's still so far out. It's only the mid-August, so it's still far out. Winter's still far away, so this is not going to be 100% accurate. 2017-2018. Let's get right into it. First off, we need to look at the ENCO outlook. And as you can see, December, January, February, March, those two time periods, the whole winter is going to be neutral or a weak El Nino. So, and neutral looks like this. The pattern across the U.S. Typical winter patterns during ENCO neutral years, 1961 through 2000. This is how it looks like. Is it most likely going to be like this? Yes, but there could be a case where the neutral year turns out somehow else. That is likely. I mean, that's not likely, but that is possible. So, is it going to most likely end up like this? Yes. And you could see cold air across the eastern half, or just across the northeast and the midwest and the upper plains, and wet and warmer across the southwest and the south in general. So, another factor that is important is the NAO, and the NAO is either positive or negative. But as of now, it's still too far to predict whether the winter will be dominated by NAO positive or NAO negative, because it's just still too far out. But just for your information, the NAO positive means warmer air across the east and the cold air stuck in Canada, and NAO negative is Arctic air or cold air across the eastern half, so more snow, more cold air. So that's good news for skiers and snow lovers, the NAO negative. Now, let's go look at the temperature outlook for winter, and this is the seasonal outlooks for December, January, February, and January, February, March. So this is May, July 20th, and this is for 2017 and 2018 winter. As you can see, the temperatures are going to be warm across the almost the whole country other than the upper plains for December, January, and February. And then it's going to pretty much spread across the Midwest and into Northeast for January, February, and March. So pretty much you could see that the colder temperatures are going to be across the north. Now let's look at the precipitation outlook. It's going to be equal chances for much of the country, other than for the first half of winter, where it's going to be more precipitation in Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and that's pretty much it. But does that mean there's going to be more snow there? Possibly if the cold air overrides it, but not not too likely. It's just most likely going to mean more rain. So this is my temperature outlook for the 2017-2018 winter. As I'm saying, this is very far out. Sorry guys, I forgot to shade in these two states right here, DC and Delaware. Those are supposed to be in blue. So, the blue colors is gonna be the coldest. That's what I predict as of now. But as you go more southwest, it's going to be slightly warmer, and then it's gonna be much warmer. So, colder air, does that mean more snow? In some sense, yes. Alright, so now we're going to look at the precipitation outlook. Southwest is going to be drier. Again, Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas are going to have a little bit above average precipitation along with the north. Hawaii also is going to have below average precipitation. Alaska is going to have equal chances like most of the United States. So, the north is going to be a little bit cooler, and with more precipitation, that does mean more snow. But this is very early, so don't get excited yet. It's still too far out to predict if this is going to be correct. But as of now, this is how it looks like. So hopefully, you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys on the next episode.